Hello everyone, welcome to Mayank Laholic. In this video, we will discuss the High Courts of India and also their territorial jurisdiction and the Chief Justice of various High Courts. This video will enhance your knowledge of legal GK. So let's get started. If we look into the knowledge of High Courts, right now India currently has total 25 High Courts. 3 High Courts were established for the first time in India in 1862. Those High Courts were Calcutta High Court, Bombay High Court and Madras High Court. The 24th High Court of India was established in Hyderabad in the name of Telangana High Court in 2019 because of the partition of the state of Andhra Pradesh, and the latest 25th High Court in India is in Andhra Pradesh, which was established in Amravati in 2019. How many High Courts are in India? There are 25 High Courts. So let's begin from Calcutta High Court. Calcutta High Court was established in 1862. The seat of Calcutta High Court is in Kolkata. Bench Port Blair. Apart from Kolkata, there is also a bench in Port Blair. Territorial jurisdiction West Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands comes into the territorial jurisdiction of Calcutta High Court. Chief Justice is Prakash Srivastav. Bombay High Court established in 1862. Seat is in Mumbai. Bench of Bombay High Court are in Nagpur, Panaji and Aurangabad. Territorial jurisdiction of Bombay High Court is also broad. Maharashtra, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu comes into the territorial jurisdiction of Bombay High Court. Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Dipankar Datta. Madras High Court, it is also established in 1862. We have already seen that 3 High Courts were established in 1862. These were Calcutta High Court, Bombay High Court and Madras High Court. The seat of Madras High Court is in Chennai. The bench is also in Madurai. Territorial jurisdiction Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. The territorial jurisdiction of Puducherry comes under the category of Madras High Court, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice M.N. Bhandari. Allahabad High Court, 1866, established in 1866. Seat is in Prayagraj, and there is also another bench in Lucknow. Territorial jurisdiction is Uttar Pradesh, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Rajesh Bindal. Karnataka High Court, it established in 1884. Seat is in Bengaluru, and benches of Karnataka High Court are in Dharwad and Gulbarga. Territorial jurisdiction Karnataka, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Rituraj Avasthi. If we look into the Patna High Court established in 1916 and its seat is in Patna. The Patna High Court doesn't have any bench, so territorial jurisdiction of Patna High Court is Bihar, and the Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Sanjay Karol. Now let's see another High Court, Guwahati High Court. Guwahati High Court established in 1948 and its seat is in Guwahati. The benches of Guwahati High Court are Kohima, Aizawl and Itanagar. And also the territorial jurisdiction of Guwahati High Court is also broad because Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, those are in the northeast region, comes into the territorial jurisdiction of Guwahati High Court. And Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia. Now let us see again another High Court, Odisha High Court. It is established in 1948. Its seat is in Cuttack. Territorial jurisdiction of Odisha High Court is Odisha only. And Chief Justice is Dr. S. Murlidhar. If we look into Rajasthan High Court established in 1949. Seat is in Jodhpur and also a bench in Jaipur. Territorial jurisdiction Rajasthan, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice A. Abdullah Qureshi. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. This High Court established in 1928 and its seat is in Srinagar and Jammu. Territorial jurisdiction is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court is Honorable Justice Pankaj Mittal. Madhya Pradesh High Court established in 1956. Its seat is in Jabalpur, and also the benches are in Gwalior, Indore. Territorial jurisdiction is Madhya Pradesh, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Ravi Vijay Kumar Malimat. Kerala High Court established in 1956. Seat is in Kochi. There is no bench of Kerala High Court, but the territorial jurisdiction contains Kerala and Lakshadweep. And Chief Justice is Honorable Justice S. Mani Kumar. Gujarat High Court established in 1960. Seat is in Ahmedabad, and territorial jurisdiction of Gujarat only, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Arvind Kumar. Delhi High Court established in 1966 in New Delhi. The territorial jurisdiction is NCT, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Right now, Chief Justice is Dhirubhai Nanabhai Patel. Punjab and Haryana High Court, established in 1966. Chandigarh is the seat, and territorial jurisdiction of Punjab and Haryana High Court is Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. Chandigarh is UT. Ravi Shankar Jha is the Honorable Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court. Himachal Pradesh High Court, established in 1971. Its seat is in Shimla. Territorial jurisdiction is Himachal Pradesh, and Chief Justice is Muhammad Rafiq, Honorable Justice Muhammad Rafiq. Sikkim High Court, established in 1975. Its seat is in Gangtok, and territorial jurisdiction is Sikkim, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Vishwanathan Sumadar. Chhattisgarh High Court, established in 2000. Its seat is in Bilaspur. Territorial jurisdiction is Chhattisgarh, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Arup Kumar Goswami. Now next, Uttarakhand High Court. Uttarakhand High Court, also established in 2000. Its seat is in Nainital, and its territorial jurisdiction is Uttarakhand, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Raghavendra S. Chauhan. Jharkhand High Court, also established in 2000. These three High Courts, Chhattisgarh High Court, Uttarakhand High Court and Jharkhand High Court, established in 2000. And its seat is in Ranchi, and territorial jurisdiction is Jharkhand, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Dr. Ravi Ranjan. Meghalaya High Court, established in 2013. Seat is in Shillong, and territorial jurisdiction is Meghalaya. Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Sanjeev Banerjee. Manipur High Court, established in 2013. Imphal is the seat of Manipur High Court, and territorial jurisdiction is Manipur. Chief Justice is Honorable Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar. Meghalaya High Court, Manipur High Court and Tripura High Court. These three High Court established in 2013. In Tripura High Court, seat is in Agartala, and the territorial jurisdiction is Tripura, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Indrajit Mahanti. Telangana High Court, this High Court established in 2019. Seat is in Hyderabad. Territorial jurisdiction is Telangana, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Satish Chandra Sharma. And the 25th High Court and the recent High Court, it's Andhra Pradesh High Court. It established in 2019. Its seat is in Amravati, and the territorial jurisdiction of Andhra Pradesh High Court is Andhra Pradesh, and Chief Justice is Honorable Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra. In this video, we have discussed the High Courts of India and which year they established, and the seat of High Court, and also the benches of High Court, if any, and also the territorial jurisdiction of the High Court, also who is the Chief Justice of various High Courts. So this video is very informative video and also important from the legal GK point of view. Please watch this video thoroughly, and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe us.